Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove last name on Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to 3 line. Now scroll down. Here you can see settings and privacy. Press on this. Now press on settings. Now you can see here see more in account center. Click on it. Now select your profile and go to the option of name. If you want to remove the last name and just only set the one single name, you just have to remove it and press a space. Now click on review change. That's it. So this is how to remove last name on Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.